Yeah, speaker out of a 2003 Hilux. I got this one off eBay, and it's slightly different. It's about 10 mil wider on there, like the width of it. So what I'm doing is I'm pretty sure the holes will match up here, pretty close. Yeah, the screw holes match up. So what I'm doing is I got the Dremel with the saw blade, and I'm just cutting this. This is the holder thing here that holds the speaker in the door, and so I'm just cutting 10 mil off of here, but I'm going to leave these screw bits sticking up. Theoretically, the speaker should end up in the same place when I screw it into those holes, and then it should drop down inside of sit on that bit that I'm cutting out. So yeah, I think it was like 40 bucks for a couple of speakers off eBay, so I'm just adapting them to fit. So see how it goes. Yeah, that worked all right. The screw holes matched up, and that's where I cut those bits out, left those little pillars there to hold it. So hopefully she'll screw back in to the truck all right. Just got to solder this wire here onto the bloody speaker and see if it fits. Yeah, a couple other things. So there's a big terminal and a small one. So the fatter one is the plus. These speakers I got are 6.5 inch, which seems to be sort of what the only things you could get on eBay was 6.5 or 4 inch or something. These holes here, I drilled them out with a 7 mil drill, just to they just needed to match up. The screws had to go in right next to this edge here, but they fit all right. Yeah, just when you cut this out, there's some little tabs here. I just cut those down on a 45-degree angle, roughly. Yeah, so yeah, that's about all you need to know, I think. Had to extend those wires a little bit because the terminals don't come through here, they come through up there with the other speaker. Anyway, that's about it. Yeah, just removing the door panel on the inside of a 2003 Hilux. So this door handle, it's got those little hooks on there, so after you've done the screw, you just got to push it back that way and it comes off. And to get the door handle off, you shove a rag down in there, and then you just move it sideways, and the circlip will push back a bit, and then you can poke a screwdriver in from the other side and flip the circlip off. Then it's just a matter of unclipping the clips. Start at the bottom down here, just pull that, and the clips will come out around there. And then the top here, you've got to, once you get those clips unclipped, you just lift it up. This bit here slips down inside there, and the whole thing will just lift up. Yeah, if you want to make a tool to get the window winder clips off. The distance between here and here is between 16 and 17 mil. I guess that's about 22 mil or something from there to there. This is just a piece of 90 mil pipe that's been heated up and flattened out between a couple of bits of board. And yeah, the rag idea worked fine the first time. The second time the rag idea I used was the clip just went zing through the air, and that was the end of the clip. So yeah, I got some. I've got a whole 2 pairs of handles here for with circlips for $8 off eBay.